Hey pre-threes! Today's lesson is a little bit of a review because I already know that you know what shapes are. For example, this is a square. A square has 4 equal sides. And you know that this is a rectangle. It's like a square, but it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And this is a circle. A circle has a curved line. And finally, this shape is a triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. So today's lesson, we're going to be using these shapes and we're going to be creating artworks with those shapes. I created this artwork using those 3 shapes. Can you identify the shapes that I used? This shape here is a square. On the top, I've created a triangle using a lot of triangles. Here on the ground, below the house, I've used more triangles to create some grass. Up here in the sun, I've used a circle and some triangles to make the sun. And then finally, for my tree, I used a rectangle and some circles to make my tree. I also did this painting. Can you identify the shapes here? That's right, I've used rectangles, circles, and triangles. Now I know you're probably saying, Miss Becky, how did you make those rectangles, circles, and triangles? Well, I started off with a sponge and I cut my sponge into a square, a triangle, a rectangle, and a circle. And then I used some paint to sponge the paint and press it onto the paper. I made a demonstration to show you, and I can't wait to see what you make with your circles, squares, and triangles. Oh, and let's not forget the rectangles. All right, if you don't have sponges, you can always use some cardboard. Ciao, ciao for now. Have fun and be creative. Mwah! The materials that you'll need for this project are sponges, paint, scissors, marker, and paper. Draw shapes onto the sponges. Cut out your shapes with scissors. Dip your sponges into the paint and press them onto the paper.